Morning guys, welcome back. It is blistering cold out, so I got some chores to do. The wife's working today and I'm off, so I gotta pull my weight. So let's go feed the dogs. Oh, girl. Frozen door. So I also got to run to get fuel today. So I gotta take the rest of the diesel that we have for our diesel heater, and I'm gonna fill the tractor, and then I gotta run and get diesel and propane. Our diesel heater stopped working last night. The air intake pipe right by the exhaust sucks in snow and gets plugged up. So then it comes up with an error code 5. So, and also for those who are new to the channel, we have a watershed. That's where we keep our tote for our water in our house. So we keep it heated with a diesel heater, and we also have a backup propane heater, a Dyna 40. The diesel heater is obviously a little more efficient, but those Chinese heaters also are a little more unreliable. Sometimes they get finicky with the fans. So as of right now, it feels like minus 40. It's blistering cold out, but I got to get the chicken some water and some food. So let me get at it. I'll show you the chickens. That's a good rooster, Rudy. Take it easy. I'm not gonna let them out till a little bit later because right now it's too cold. So I'll just put their water in there, and then I'm gonna grab their food. So what I got here for them is some regular layer feed with some cracked corn, and I got some calcium for them. I don't know, the wife's the chicken queen. She just told me what to get them. Oh, missed. Clean it up. Perfect, chicken. We have an addition to the family because my daughter wanted them. First she wanted a pony, but that's a no-go for now. But instead we got these. Look at the kitties. 1 and 2. It was kind of cute this morning. We were watching the dog wag his tail and then the cats were attacking it. So yeah, so now we have 2 dogs and 2 cats. And chickens. So that'll be fun. So I thought I'd take you guys for a ride. We don't live as remote as people might think. We do have some neighbors. But here, let me turn you around. Today's video is going to be a little different. It's so cold out, I don't think we're going to get up to any projects. I'm probably just going to stock the wood and brew some coffee and stay warm. We're pulling up to the fuel station, so I'll catch you in a second. Well, got the fuel now. It is extremely cold out there. I look like Rudolph. My American brothers and sisters, I pray you never see the day of minus 40 degrees Celsius. I'm not sure what that would be in Fahrenheit, but it is miserable. Wouldn't hurt if I dressed warmer, but I dress like an idiot all the time. So I'm gonna head home and load up some firewood in the house and the shop, and then, yeah, try and stay warm in this cold. Let's get some wood. I'm gonna start in the shop. It's so cold you can't tell if your hand's burning when it's touching fire. You know, I really do prefer heating with wood than natural gas, like when we had our old house. It just gives a warmer feel, nice glow at night with the fire. It's really enjoyable. Now I'll take some inside, guys. So we fed the dogs, we fed the cats, we fed the chickens. Everyone has water. My wife should be happy. And I'm gonna have a coffee and I'll stay safe, stay warm, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.